Hello my dear students, welcome in maths class. In this video I am going to discuss question number 6 to question number 10 of exercise 5.3 chapter name arithmetic progressions. So let's start with the question number 6. The first and last term of an arithmetic progressions are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So two things we have to find out here: how many terms, number of terms, and then we have to find their sum also. So first term is 17 and last term is 350. So last term is an or L, 350. Common difference is 9. So I'm using this nth term formula, a plus n minus 1 into d is 350. Substitute value of a and d here. So n minus 1 into 9. 17 when I shifted to another side, it is coming 333. N minus 1 is equal to 333 upon 9 is 37, and minus 1 when shifted to the other side, it has become 38. So number of terms are 38. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l, because first and last term both are given to you, so that's why we are using this formula, n by 2 a plus l. So number of terms are 38. 38 upon 2, a is 17 and l is 350. So 19, 38 by 2 is 19 into 17 plus 350, 367. So after multiplication is coming 6973. Question number 7 is the sum of first 22 terms of an AP is, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So we have to find the sum of 22 terms. So it means there are total terms are 22 and 22nd term is 149. It means this is the last term. So let a be the first term, d is the 7, last term, that is a22 is 149. So by using nth term formula, a plus 21 d is equal to 149. Substitute the value of d here. So it is a plus 27 into 7, so is equal to 149. So a plus 147 is equal to 149. So after solving it is coming a is equal to 2. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l, because first term we have calculated and last term is given to you. So as 22, because number of terms are 22, we have to find the sum of 22 terms. So n is 22. So 22 by 2 a plus l. So 2 plus 149 is 151 into 11, it is coming 1661. Now question number 7 is find the sum of first 51 terms of an arithmetic progression whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So second term and third term, two terms are given to you and we have to find the sum of first 51 terms. So let a be the first term and d is the common difference. So second term is 14, so we can write it as a plus d, 1d is equal to 14. So a is equal to 14 minus 1d. This is by using nth term formula. Now third term is given to you 18, so it is a plus 2d is equal to 18. Now substitute equation number 1 in 2. So a is 14 minus d plus 2d is equal to 18. So minus d plus 2d is coming 1d. So 14 plus d is equal to 18. So it is coming d is equal to 18 minus 14. So d is coming 4. Now substitute d is equal to 4 in equation number 1. So it is coming a is equal to 14 minus d. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. So a is coming 10 here. Now we have to find the sum of first 51 terms. So Sn formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 51, 51 by 2, 2 into a, that is 10. 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1 into d. So 51 by 2, 20 plus 50 into 4, 200. So it is coming 51 by 2 into 220. So 2 and 220 will cancel out. It is coming 110 into 51. It is coming 5610. Question number 9 is if the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms, that of means sum of first 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. So let a be the first term and d is the common difference. It is given that sum of first 7 terms, so S7 is 49, and by using formula of Sn, so it is coming 7 by 2, 2a plus 60. I am using this formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now 2 is common here, so after taking 2 and 2 will cancel out. 7 into a plus 3d, so 7 when shifted to another side, it is coming a plus 3d is equal to 7 and a is equal to 7 minus 3d. Give it equation number 1. As 17, it is also given that sum of first 17 terms is 289. So 17 by 2, 2a plus 16d is equal to 289. So 2 is common here, 2 and 2 will cancel out. So a plus 8d is equal to 289 upon 17, it is 17. So a plus 8d is equal to 17. Now put equation number 1 in 2. So A is a 7 minus 3D plus 8D. It is coming 7 plus 5D is equal to 17, and 5D is equal to 17 minus 7. So 5D is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10 upon 5 is equal to 2. Now put D is equal to 2 in equation number 1, that is A is equal to 7 minus 3D. So D is 2 here, so 3 2 is 6, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, so A is coming 1. So A is 1 here and D is equal to 2. So we have to find the sum of first n terms. So in place of n we will write n as it is, because number of terms are n here. So n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2, a is 1 and n minus 1, d is 2. So it is coming 2 plus 2n minus 2, to 2 and 2 will cancel out. It is coming n by 2 into 2n. So again 2 and 2 will cancel out. So it is coming n square. So Sn is equal to n square is there. Question number 10 is, show that A1, A2, A3 so on so form an AP whose AN is defined as below. AN means its general term is given to us, and we have to find, we have to prove that A1, A2, A3 they are forming an AP, and after that we have to also find the sum of first 15 terms in the each case. So it is general term given to us. When we'll substitute n is 1 in this equation, in equation number 1 it is coming A1. If I will substitute 2, it is coming second term. If I will substitute 3, it is coming A3. So put n is equal to 1 in equation number 1, it is coming 3 plus 4, 7. Put n is equal to 2 in equation number 1, it is coming A2 is equal to 3 plus 8, 11. Put n is equal to 3 in equation number 1, it is coming 15. So therefore sequence is A1, A2, A3, that is 7, 11, 15. So now you see the difference is 11 minus 7, 4, 15 minus 11, 4, everywhere difference is same, therefore it is an AP. Now after that we have to find sum of 15 terms, that is S15, that is 15 by 2, 2a plus 15 minus 1 into d. So a and d we have substituted, and after substituting we will solve. It is coming 15 by 2 into 70, so 2 and 70 will cancel out, it is 15 into 35, so 525. Second part is an is equal to 9 minus 5, and this is the general term, nth term we can say. So now substitute n is equal to 1 in equation number 1, it is coming A1 is equal to 4, A2, when we will substitute n is equal to 2 here, it is coming second term. When we will substituting n is 3, it is coming third term. So A1 is 4, A2 is minus 1 and A3 is minus 6. So D is coming minus 1, minus 4 is minus 5, minus 6, minus of this minus 1, so it is coming minus 5, difference is same, therefore it is an AP. Now after that, if it is an AP, we have to find the sum of first 15 terms. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So number of terms are 15, 2a, a is 4 here, n minus 1 into d. So 15 minus 1, 14 into d is minus 5, so it is coming 8 minus 70. So 15 by 2 into minus of 32, so it 2 and minus 62 will cancel out, so it is coming 15 into minus of 31. So after solving multiplication, it is coming minus of 465. So this is the sum of first 15 terms. So that's all for this video, and next questions I will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.